Hi everybody, this is how to format memory card on your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE edition. To do this, go to Settings and scroll down to the Battery and Device Care menu. Tap on that and here find the Storage tab, tap on that. And here we have kind of a few pages, and the second page is our SD card. So here you need to tap on these three dots in the top right corner, and we have two options here. You can unmount your card. It means that while it is still inserted in your phone, it doesn't work. The phone doesn't see the card, but I don't know in what reason do you need it. But we want to format our card, so tap on format, and everything on this SD card will be erased, so make sure you have a copy of the important data. So now tap on format. SD card formatted successfully. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, subscribe to our channel, hit the like button. Thanks for watching and see you.